Hey guys, today's video is going to be a Jomar unboxing. I received box number 4 of 5. If you can hear the banging, construction, I'm still just. So this is a sneaker box, 15 pairs, and I paid, I don't remember how much. I'll put it on the screen. I think it comes out to a little over $5 a pair. This took a long time to get to me. I ordered it on September 5th. Today is October 12th when I'm filming this, so a little bit over a month. They do have a 28 business day turnaround time. So FYI, if you're gonna order from Jomar, just be prepared to wait. Okay, you guys ready to see what we got? This noise. First thing are these Filas. They're like sock shoes. They're a size 9.5. You know, they're in decent condition. Still got really good tread. I like the color. I'm gonna have to look up comps. I hope you guys can just ignore that noise. I don't know much about Filas. My husband sells shoes, if you guys didn't know that. So yeah, I'll have to ask him and see what he thinks about that. Okay, next up we have these Airwalks. I don't know if you guys can see, but the soles are like, one is white and the other one is, okay, never mind. Very white on this side, yellow on this side, yellow on both of these sides. I don't know if I can clean that, but they're just white Airwalks, plain shoes. They are a size 6.5. Yeah, not too excited about those. Oh my gosh. I just saw 2 pairs that I'm really excited about. I'm gonna save those for last. Okay, what are these? What the hell are these? I don't know that. I don't know what that says. Can you guys even see that? What is that? Oh, it says made in Italy on the bottom, size 40. I don't know that brand. This is some like hardware we got going on here. There's no tags or anything. What is that brand? What is that brand? I have no idea. I'm gonna have to research it and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, size 40. These are kind of big, but these are a shoe. Okay, and looking in here, I see shoes that are not sneakers, so I'm a little confused. I'm excited about one pair. I'll just go ahead and show you the pair right now. We got some Birks, guys. We got some Birkenstocks that are in really, really good condition. Like, look at the bottoms. And look at the freaking toes. Like, most Birkenstocks, it's like dirty ass toe area. No, these are in like amazing condition. Holy mother, they're size 39. I don't know what size. Is that an 8? I don't know what size that is. Yeah, these are, wow. Okay. Supposed to get a sneaker box, but I'll take some Birks. I'll take some Birks. Some Birky Birks. Wow, these are like seriously excellent condition. Okay, I'm excited for these. Yes, yes, yes. I see another pair of sandals. I see a pair of heels. Like, what? Okay, I'll show you guys the heels. These are Betsy Johnson heels. They are sequin heels, size 6.5. I ordered sneakers, not heels, guys. They got like a little friggin' dingleberry on the toe. Like, what is that? I mean, they're super sparkly. Got some wear on the bottom. Betsy Johnson. I ordered sneakers, not heels. These are old person shoes, I think. Apex shoes. I don't know. We got some like gel memory foam though. I bet they're comfortable. They're size 9.5 wide. Got some paint on the toe here. Okay. All right, we've got some Under Armour shoes. These are a small size. I don't know what size they are. 6.5. Look like that. The tread is pretty worn. Sounds like they're gonna, it's okay. I'm gonna have a nice big beautiful front porch. I can't wait. There's some Nikes, nothing special. They're the Lunarepic Flyknit. Actually, I like Flyknit shoes. I just got a sick pair of Flyknit Air Force Ones off Poshmark. I'll show you guys them in a future video, but yeah, they're sick. These are size 7. I mean, they won't sell for much. The tread's kind of worn. Yeah. All right, more sandals in a sneaker box. These are Steve Madden sandals, size 8. Meh. I ordered a sneaker box. Got more heels in a sneaker box. 9 West, size 7, with like a chunky heel, block heel. I mean, they're cute and they're in really good condition, but I ordered sneakers, not heels. I thought these were Vans, but nope. They're a Walmart brand. Time and True, I think it's called. Yeah, Time and True, size 7. I mean, they're new with tags, but I could probably get like $10 for these. Cellini, Action Cellini, made in Greece, size 8. Studio Polini, cork wedge heels, size 40. BB sneakers. Ugh. These are size 7.5. They're kind of yellow. I'm gonna have to try some Magic Eraser magicness. Okay, I saved the best for last. You guys ready? I got some Vapor Maxes, some Nike Vapor Maxes that are kind of dirty, but my husband is a pro at cleaning shoes. He'll be able to clean them up. I was like, oh, there's no shoelaces, but both shoelaces are in this shoe. But yeah, this is what they look like. They're size 6.5. So I'm definitely excited about these. They seem to be in really, really good condition. No rips or tears. They're just dirty, but these can be cleaned very easily, and these will hopefully sell for a lot. So I'm definitely excited about these. I'm excited about the Birkenstocks, but I'm not excited about the heels and the sandals that I got in my friggin' shoe box. Sneaker box. What the hell was it called? Assorted shoes, women's pre-loved sneakers. It says sneakers right there. Sneakers. I mean, I'm excited about 2 pairs in there. I mean, a couple I can maybe sell, like the Fila ones. I don't know. I don't think I can sell these for much, but these are kind of cool. Yeah. Okay, I'll take the Birkenstocks, but like, it was a sneaker box. Sneakers. I'm supposed to get sneakers. Jomar, what the fuck? I'm gonna reach out to them and be like, what the fuck? If you guys watched my previous unboxing videos, actually, I don't know if that's up yet, but I got a jean box. It was supposed to be women's jeans, and they sent me a pair of kids' jeans. So, I mean, I like Jomar, but they are kind of a hot mess sometimes. Honestly, they are. And if you order from them, just know it's a risk. It's a gamble. As with any company, any mystery box, you don't know what you're getting. You're taking a risk. But when I order a sneaker box, I expect to get sneakers. That shouldn't be the type of risk that I'm taking. Like, oh, you order a sneaker box, hey, you're actually gonna get a heel and a friggin' sandal box. Like, no, that shouldn't be like that, you know? So I don't know. I'm gonna reach out to them. I'll let you guys know what they say if you're interested. I'll link them down below as well if you want to check them out. I do have a coupon code or a link with them to get 20% off, I believe. If there's anything that you see in this video that you want to purchase, everything will be listed in my Poshmark closet by the time this video is up. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.